Hey there, gamers! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remote play on Steam. Let's dive right in. First, open the Steam app on your desktop. Click on Steam at the top left corner, then select Settings. In the Settings window, navigate to the left-hand side and find the option for Remote Play. Click on it, and make sure to enable Remote Play. I recommend enabling Advanced Host options. Here, you can optimize settings like audio playback and hardware encoding for smoother performance. To remote play on another PC, simply log in with the same Steam account and enable remote play. It's that easy. If you're using a mobile device, download the Steam Link app. Open the app and note the pairing code it provides. Then, in Steam Settings, find the option to pair Steam Link. Enter the code, and voila! And there you have it. A quick tutorial on how to remote play on Steam. If you found this helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.